Wrapping can be one of the most stressful parts of the holiday season. I know it's my least favorite thing to do, so I've got some great tips and tricks to get you through it. Starting with, we all end up, especially with kids' toys, some of those open face boxes like this amazing Rocktopus by Mattel. I love Mattel toys. They're good for kids of all ages. They keep them entertained for like a good chunk of time. So how do you get past with wrapping with an open face box? We're gonna do the gather method. This is one of my favorite ways to wrap. It's super easy. All you would do is take your rectangular big square of paper, gather it up, wrap it with a pretty ribbon. We got some nice silk ribbon here. And just to add that personal touch onto it, put one of those little decorative accessories that you know the person that you're giving it to will love. It's also great for egg shapes like this. I love these little beast toys. What's it called? Breakout beasts. What little guy on your list isn't gonna love this? Again, wrap it. I like that we did the paper with this. Accent ribbon and accessory, and you are good to go. Now, if you want to avoid wrapping in paper completely, Four Season gift bags has exactly what you need. They come in a variety of color and sizes, and you simply open up, put inside, tie them up. They come with personalized accessories that you can put on, so they're great. They're a gift in themselves. Things like girls on your list, guys too, will love these ice wines. They have bursting aromas and rich flavors that will go with all your holiday dishes. And then for the girl on your list that is hard to buy for, you want some things. What girl doesn't love some beauty products, right? We've got the Coarse Foaming Facial Cleanser. It removes impurities without dehydrating the skin. And the Stila Stay All Day Lipstick. It goes on smooth and it's weightless. They're beautiful. You simply open up your bag, pop them inside, close it. You are done. Gift giving made easy, guys. Now, if you do want to go the wrapping route, putting them in a box is always the easiest way to go. You can get nice, clean lines, but personalize it. We did this cute little reindeer. All you need is scissors, some construction paper, and a little bit of creativity, and a good old glue stick. Go back to your crafting days. So we already have some pieces cut out here. I got this cute little antler I'm gonna put on. Layer on your pieces. Let's see if it's gonna behave for me here. Got one, got two, and this is cute. We can also do this in like an owl, you can do rabbits, whatever the person you're giving it to, their favorite little critter is. You can have a lot of fun decorating with this. These gifts are going to give a lot of creativity under your Christmas tree this year, especially because you're all going home with them today.
Thanks for watching The Mark and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.